Hey everyone, this is Lance Finucci here at MarineMax, Gulf Shores, Alabama. Just want to take a look today at our brand new 130 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. Boston Whaler has been iconic in the boating industry for over 60 years, and this 2019 model is no different. It's been redesigned quite a bit for this year, and I'm going to show you some of the things that they did. Before we do that, you can clearly see that we put on the optional Bimini top, and it does come with its own trailer. At the back of the boat, Boston Whaler is still using the very reliable Mercury 40 horsepower engine, but the difference is there are now two swim platforms, one on either side of that engine. On the port side, you have a 4-step stainless steel ladder that's perfect for reboarding the boat when you feel like jumping in to cool off. The 6-gallon gas tank is still standard. One of the things that we did put on here at MarineMax ourselves is the optional bucket seats, which do recline forward for storage, and also they do turn 360 degrees, so if you wanted to turn around and take a look while you're relaxing in the sunshine, you certainly can. The helm has been redesigned slightly as well, where now under that windshield that entire cabinet lifts up to be completely waterproof to store your valuables. Stainless steel steering wheel still standard. Up front, you can see a large casting platform if you did want to fish off of the boat, and also a combination storage locker and anchor locker. On this boat we also have the optional bow cushion, which is not shown here right now. However, it's perfect seating if you just want to lounge out and enjoy the day. If you have any other questions about this boat or any of the boats we have here at MarineMax, just give me a call. Again, it's Lance Finucci, and we're here in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Have a great day and enjoy this Boston Whaler.